How's it, guys? Sorry for the late response today, but Sunday has been very entertaining. I had service this morning at 10 and went for lunch by mom and Uncle Trevor and Auntie Lowell's with Brendan. And then a haircut, and now I'm back home, but never too late. Guys, today I wanted to reach out to all those people like me that have that void in the back of your mind, or that chip on your shoulder, or that noise, that loud noise in your head each and every day when you think something's going lekker, or there's like a little nerve here and there. I prayed hard this whole weekend to get that noise out of my head, because the bad thoughts and all the negative things, you want to release all that pressure. Take that noise away, get rid of it. It's not always easy, guys, but I'll tell you one thing: once you make the steps and changes on your path and start following your true destiny and the path of the Lord and the righteous, things really start changing for you. Pastor Sean at Urban Edge today, wow, what a service, and they're reaching out to all they opened up a new legacy church in Lesotho. And this lovely couple decided to leave everything in Cape Town, and the calling was there to go and open this church. And wow, what a feedback from the locals in the area of how the community's growing with the kids and stuff. And it's amazing what the Lord does. It really does. And like I say, guys, those noises in your head, it's really difficult to get out or release of it. But trust in your heart and your soul and pray and do the right thing. Have a wonderful Sunday evening.